Alright, another day, another vintage toy haul. Just wanted to share what I got from Facebook Marketplace. It's actually a great deal kasi I've been looking for a full speed ahead. Look, medyo beat up na yung cover na, pero I've never seen a carded ever since bata ako. Plus, usually nakukuha nating full speed ahead is just the full speed ahead ghost. Wala to. Ito yung panghila niya para umandar siya. This ghost. It's very rare kasi nga nababali yan. So, kahit meron na tayo sa collection, I still got this at a very very cheap price. Again, sa Facebook Marketplace. So, this is why we got this. Ito. And, pwede na yan. Pwede na rin yung condition yan. And also this. Look. A Neutrona Blaster. Hindi pa ako nakakita nito na naka-box eh. Again, we have that in our collection pero loose. So let's just open it quickly. Such great deals. May ano pa? May mga... See? Meron pa oh. May Kenner, We Really Do Care. Meron pa nitong action toy guide ng Ghostbusters noon. RoboCop. Mega Force. So, here's what's inside the box. Diba? It's nice. Yun nga lang yung beat up yung sticker. So, ito usually yung mahirap hanapin because, again, through time, nasisira rin yan. Papasok mo yung dito. And then, yeah, we have a Neutrona wand. So, these are awesome deals. Plus this, also from a good friend. A new friend, nakakuha tayo ng Secret Wars, Dr. Octopus. So usually naman to, wala tong mga arms na to. It's a great deal din. Wala nga lang yung shield. Pero, meron na rin tayo niyan, pero dalawa lang yung arms niya. Pero this one's complete. So there. I hope you like our vintage hauls. There, till next time.